Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Genie. I can see the excitement in your eyes as you witness those green tickets paying out. Today, I have a simple strategy to share with you that guarantees consistent winnings every day. Many people often get disappointed when their win or double chance bets don't pan out as expected. But fear not, because today I'm going to teach you a unique strategy to win consistently on corner kicks. So, let's dive right into it. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge about sports betting and various other topics. Alright, let's move on. When it comes to corner kicks, there are numerous matches played worldwide, with over 200 games taking place every day. These matches offer an excellent opportunity to bet on corner kicks, with 1xBet providing multiple options for you to choose from. By using this strategy, you can place around 50 bets per day, increasing your chances of winning big. Let me explain how it works. The key here is to adopt the $1 project approach. This means betting low amounts, such as $1 or less, but placing multiple bets instead of going all in on a single bet with a high stake. By spreading your bets across various matches, you increase your chances of securing consistent profits. To begin, you'll need a flashcard application on your phone. This app allows you to access match statistics anytime you want. Now, let's dive into the analysis part and discover the best corner kick options for your bets. Let's take the UEFA Champions League as an example. We have a match between AJK and Victoria Pilsen. AJK, a team from Finland, is playing at home against Victoria Pilsen from the Czech Republic. Although most betting companies might favor Victoria Pilsen, we're going to focus on corner kicks for our strategy. To analyze the teams, we'll look at the head-to-head matches. AJK has played against teams like VPS, AJM, RFX, and QPS. When we examine their statistics, we find that in the last 5 matches against RFX, AJK played 6 corner kicks, while RFX played 7. This indicates that even when AJK is the weaker team, they still manage to generate corner kicks. It's essential to consider the average number of corner kicks AJK produces over multiple matches. Now, let's head over to 1xBet and check the corner kick options for this match. You can find these options under the UEFA Champions League section. By selecting AJK versus Victoria Pilsen, you'll find different corner kick alternatives. Choose the one that aligns with your analysis, such as over 2.5 corners for AJK. Once you've made your selection, place a bet of $1 or the equivalent amount in your currency. Remember, the idea is to place multiple bets with lower stakes rather than a single high-stake bet. This way, even if one bet doesn't win, your overall profits will exceed your losses. Now, remember that there are numerous matches available with corner kick options. Explore different categories like club friendlies, where you'll find even more matches to place your bets on. The more matches you analyze and bet on, the higher your chances of securing consistent profits. That's it for today's strategy, my friends. I hope you found this approach insightful and unique. It's time to put your analysis skills to the test and start winning big on corner kicks. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll cover more exciting topics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for being a part of our channel, and until next time, happy betting and may the odds be forever in your favor.